Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vicky Mugambi, and on this channel you learn about commercial modeling. I am a commercial model, and over the last decade or so I have done so many commercials. You have seen my face on TV so many times, so I'll teach you how to do commercial models. But the only reason why I am in the beginning of a house hunting video is because you guys are not subscribing. What do I have to do so that you guys can subscribe? Aki, hit that subscription button and the notification so that I can keep you, I can get the morale to do more videos about commercial modeling and house hunting or whatever it is that you need. Once in a while I do about my hair, about makeup or whatever, but mostly it's just commercial modeling because that is where my bread comes from. Hiya. Sawa. I think hii intro nitaitumia kwa video ka 5, so okay, the same intro in there in like 4 or 5 other videos. Just know I am lazy. I don't want to record like 1 too many videos. But yes, please subscribe.
I told you I'm not here to mess around, and you've been acting too mysterious. You didn't think I'd go, but do you now? You never took me seriously. You don't have the time for me. I don't.
Once again, this is Saika Estate, the non-gated community where new buildings are mushrooming, not mushrooming. Yes, that one. These beautiful open kitchen 1-bedroom units go for 12,000 Kenya shillings only. Water and other amenities are provided. For the shower head, you will have to buy and fix your own shower head. The lady who was in charge was telling me that people steal shower heads when they're moving out, and they move out with the shower head. So that is why the owners of this house did not provide a shower head. But as you can see, this is a lovely house with a hot shower already kind of pre-installed. Is for you to just come with your own shower head. And as you can see, I like the tiles for the kitchen. There are 2 units. The tiles are different. As you can see, these ceramics for this kitchen is black. For the next one, it will be white. Enjoy the video. I won't talk too much in this video. Simu subscribe basi. Unangoja? Subscribe. Acho choyo. Usikwe mchoyo. Usikwange hivyo. Ni subscribe yetu. Hata kama unajua tu ni kufanya tu hivi. Hivyo tu unafanya tung 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 hivyo basi.